Hi everybody. Today, let's go over how to create a watch list here on TradeVision. Creating a watch list will allow you to check up on all your favorite stocks at any given moment in time, and it'll really help you stay organized. So there are two ways to create a watch list. First things first, you can always go and click on the visualizer right here on the right hand side, and it will ask you if you would like to create your first watch list if you've never created one before. Track your favorite options, stay updated on the market trends, and make informed decisions. The second way to create a watch list will be in the upper right hand corner. You can go ahead and click on Screener. And in the top right hand corner, you'll notice that there are a few options up here. You're going to have your earnings. Now, when you're looking at your set of stocks on your page, you can choose to include tickers with earnings in 30 days. You can include them, or you can exclude them. Or you can choose to only include tickers with earnings within the next 30 days. You have your trend indicators up here. Two different models that TradeVision uses. You have your Trends AI version 3, general bullish and bearish model, available for 500 tickers approximately. And you have your Trends AI A0 model, which was back tested on more than 2,000 tickers and good for long trading. Back to the watch list, you will see that we are currently on the S&P 500 index. You have your three default watch lists up at the top: S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100, all stocks, and ETFs. Click on any of these and you can see all the names within the NASDAQ 100. Currently, I have earnings turned on. I can include tickers with earnings within the next 30 days. And if we want to create a new watch list, we can click on this little bookmark here at the top. It will give us an option that says create watch list. We can go ahead and click on that. And let's go ahead and create a few watch lists. So let's name this first one technology. And you can go ahead and type in the tickers that you want to include. We can type in Microsoft, for example. Let's add that one. Now we have it in our technology watch list. Let's add two more. Let's add NVIDIA, NVDA. Let's click on add. Let's go ahead and add Apple as well. Let's click on add right here. Once you're satisfied with the amount of tickers that you've incorporated into your watch list, now you can go ahead and hit save right here. And then you can exit out of the watch list screen. Now, what's really cool is you can go ahead and click on this button again, your watch list button. Click on the drop down arrow and you should see the watch list that we just created. Let's go ahead and create one more just for example purposes. We can click on create watch list right here. We'll name this one financials. And I want to include JP Morgan, which is ticker symbol JPM. Click on add. Now I want to include Visa, which will be ticker symbol V. And let's add MasterCard. Add right there. And then we can go ahead and hit save. Watch list updated. And now if I click on this button up here again, you can see that we have technology and we have financials. If I want to click on financials, we can see all of the tickers that we just added. Same thing with technology. So that is how you create a watch list. And also you will have the ability, let's say if you're looking at the S&P 500 index, and let's just say you were looking at all of the stocks, part of the S&P 500 index. Let's say you're just scouting, and let's just say you came across a stock such as MU right here, right? You're looking at MU and you want to add it to a watch list. You can take a quick shortcut and you can click on this little bookmark here on the very left hand side of your screen. Click on it and it will bring up a drop down menu for which watch list you would like to add this ticker to. You can also choose to create a new watch list, or you can edit your current watch lists as well. Let's say I want to add MU to technology. I just added it to my technology. It will come up with a blue bookmark to notify me that it is currently in the technology watch list. Let's say I wanted to add American Airlines, but maybe it doesn't fit within technology and financials. I can hit on create new, and let's name this watch list airline companies. It's going to ask me to add my first ticker. This one was AAL. Just make sure you add that. American Airlines. And of course, if you don't remember the name, make sure to hit save first and foremost. And if you don't remember the name, you can always just come back to where you were and you can click on that bookmark. Now, that is how you add stickers to your watch list. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.